Welcome everyone. This is Reza Kazemi from Komori, America, and we have Doug Schardt from Komori, America. So we split, so half and half. So this is the today presentation flow. So thank you for joining this masterclass on Gravure offset printing. Our goal today is to give a practical, technical review of the process, what is that process, how it works, where it performs well, and let me start the time, sorry. And which key parameters influence the result. So, and at the end, we have a Q&A session, so we hope you enjoy the class today. So this is the content for today. The overall roadmap will move from the process basics into capabilities, materials, plate design, print techniques, and finally the applications. So yeah, this is the history of Gravure and Gravure offset, briefly talking about the history of these printing methods. So yeah, Gravure, we have different type of printing methods. So of course, you know many of them or some of them. But Gravure developed as a high-quality printing method for consistent image reproduction. So what is important here is that Gravure belongs to a broader family of printing techniques, each optimized for different needs such as speed, image change, thickness, and resolution. And Gravure offset builds on Gravure principles with differences, but becomes especially useful when precision, patterning, and placement are very important. So these are three methods, all rely on engraved surface, but the way ink is carried and transferred is different. We have flexography prints from the raised or non-engraved areas, while Intaglio and Gravure carry inks in recessed features. So the distinction matters because in Gravure offset, we are controlling how ink fills, releases, and transfer from the very small engraved cells. So here we have the main elements of a Gravure offset system. We have engraved plates. The pointer doesn't work, so just you can see the engraved plate at the beginning. So we have the doctoring system at the beginning, again, doctor blades. And we have a blanket cylinder, and which transfer the ink to the substrate. And we have alignment system for accuracy of printing. The blanket is the key of the system because it acts as the main transfer unit between the engraved plate and the final substrate. So here in this visual explanation, you can see the process. First, the ink fills engraved plates. Second, residual ink removed from the plate by doctor blade. And then the third, patterned ink transfers to the blanket. And finally, the blanket transfer the image to the substrate. And again, the blanket transfer is what gives the Gravure offset of many of its advantages. So now we are going to talk about the difference between the direct Gravure and the Gravure offset. The biggest difference from the direct Gravure is the image is transferred from a flat engraved plate to blanket and then to the substrate, rather than directly from engraved cylinder in Gravure. So this reduces geometric distortion and helps improve placement accuracy. And it all also helps